everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a memory keeping spread in my horizontal big planner for the week of October 11th through the 18th, I think it was. This is the week I went to Colombia for my brother's wedding, so I have tons of photos, which I have in my project life, but I have a tons of photos here as well. And I'm going to be doing some stamping as well. So I've already just blocked out here with just copy paper and the bottom spot. This is where I'm going to stamp out, you know, Colombia. And then here, I think I'm just going to do like a big titled sticker. So I'm not going to explain too much. We're just going to watch the process for this video and change up the format. So let's put you on fast forward. My week in Colombia. I hope you've enjoyed this simple little trick of including more photos so that it doesn't clutter up your layout. It was just copy paper and I left like a inch or so of extra to have that hinge, and I'm able to kind of hide a few photos there. By stamping, it's not perfect. It's okay. I am still learning, but still willing to learn. So it's a little, you know, patchy there, not the end of the world. And I like that the colors match perfectly for this. So, yeah, that ends it. So I'm just going to do my journaling. This was just before we left to Colombia, and then a few of the stories and or experience of going to Colombia. The wedding was beautiful, as you can see from the photos, and we had a good time. Okay, until next time, everyone, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and hit the little bell notification so that you know when I upload in the future. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.